Hello, welcome. This is a food sampling video, and no, I didn't get contacts. I'm just not wearing my glasses because of the glare and just because I feel like going natural. So here I am. Thank you for joining me, and we're gonna get into this. So I bought candy popcorn Snickers made with Snickers candy pieces. So that's that one. And I tried one of these before. I think it was Oreo candy popcorn, and it was really good. And I'm not even like an Oreo cookie fan big time. I'm just a regular Oreo eater, so I don't eat them all the time. I don't buy them that often. But yeah, so let's get into this. It smells like popcorn and Snickers. Yeah, anyway, I'm not moving much. I also bought Reese's. So, we will probably try those too, but Takis! I have never had Takis, and oh my gosh, they're so popular right now. I'm really looking forward to them. We have regular Fuego and Blue Heat. Yeah. So I'm going to try those both in this video, and we will see what I think. I'm excited. But first, this candy popcorn, which I've been so ready for. Alright, here we go. Big piece right there to start with. Hit my cheek. Okay. So there's caramel, there's peanut, there's chocolate. So you like see all that, and the other side is like popcorn. Yeah. So I think they like spread peanut butter, like, I don't think it's nougat. I think it's actually like peanut butter. Yeah. So they're not kidding when they say candy popcorn. Candy pop. Fun. I think I'll share that later. With family. All right. Next, I'm gonna do it. The Reese's popcorn. The Reese's popcorn. They have that same peanutty, chocolatey smell. Let's see if it's, look at that, like all peanut butter. That's like a salty peanut butter. Chocolate. It's different than the Snickers. I like it better, but then I like Reese's better. I am a Reese's fan. So it's like, it says even right there, drizzled popcorn. So, compared to the Snickers, let's get one from each. Okay, so this is the Snickers, and this is the Reese's. See a little different? The peanut is in this one, and it's just drizzled here. I think there's caramel and stuff on the Snickers. Ooh. Caramel, peanut, peanut butter, chocolate. And then this one, more of the salty peanut butter and a little chocolate. And both of them taste surprisingly like popcorn. Okay. So we'll put these aside. And open Fuego first. Bright red. And that, no, without, I'm going to open them both first, and then Blue Heat. So, I'm going to try Fuego first. Here we go. Woo! You don't really want it on your lips. That is a kick. That is a bite to it. A really nice aftertaste. It hits your tongue. Like, what is that flavor? Lime. Citric acid. Onion powder. Food coloring. Artificial flavors, sodium bicarbonate, chili pepper, definitely chili pepper. Okay, yeah, I think those. And a few other ingredients that I didn't mention. I can see why they're popular. But I like the Doritos Dino Dinamita. These are my favorite. Even still now. Trying the blue. The back of my throat, the last one. Here we go. Not as strong of a kick. Still lime, corn flour, citric acid again. Chili pepper. It's all there. But they're not strong. There's Takis crunchy fajito as well, which I didn't see in the store. I got these both at Walgreens. I got the popcorn at Safeway. Okay. We're gonna call it there. That was fun. And what's the word? Educational. I learned a bit. I still prefer the Dorito Dinamita Chile Limon. Right? Yep. Cool. So thanks again for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.